Do you use your iPhone's camera for content creation? Well, then you're going to want to know about the Photos app update that was just announced at the WWDC 2024 conference. It's coming this fall. Here's what you can be excited about. iOS 18, with that release comes the biggest redesign ever of Apple's Photos app. They promise we will no longer have to struggle to find photos. So here's some of the updates. They've updated the layout. You're going to have a grid, a photo grid up top, and below the photo grid is going to be your photos organized into categories. They call these categories collections. The new name for the collection is called trips. Your photos in your library will be organized by your trips. You'd be able to find your pictures by the trips that you take. So if you travel a lot, like a lot of content creators do, you will get your pictures organized for you automatically by your trips.
The new Trip section gathers all your memorable adventures in one place. I love that they autoplay, so I can remember my trips while I browse. I can quickly jump back in time and revisit a trip, like this one to Patagonia in 2021.
And I think that's a huge time savings. And you can find, like, okay, I want to see the pictures when we went to Bali. You will be able to see it and also scroll through trips with a carousel menu, which is awesome. Be able to customize our categories and be able to pin and reorganize categories. So which ones we want to the right or left, which ones we want to see first, which ones are most important to us. That I think is pretty awesome, where we'll be able to categorize, personalize the screens that works best for our use. Another update that I'm excited about is the filter. We will be able to filter our library by new filter sets. Let's listen here to Chelsea as she explains this concept.
Quickly narrow it down to specific types of content. And now, I can even filter out screenshots to enjoy my photos clutter-free.
Another one that I think will be interesting is you can organize by favorite groups of people. Let's listen to Chelsea as she explains this concept.
I head to people and pets, and it now includes my favorite groups of people for the first time. Here's me with my husband, Don, and with my best friends.
So, what do you guys think? Are you excited about the new release? Now that you know what's coming in the fall, let's keep this conversation going in the comments section. What features do you wish the Photos app had that will make it easier to create content and easier to find photos?